Plumbers don't want you to know this. Cut the bath soap and thank me. For today's tip, we will need a bar of bath soap. First, let's remove the bath soap from the packaging. And then we're going to grate him whole on a thicker side of a grater. The brand and smell of bath soap is your preference. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Anna Meyer from Namibia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After grated completely, we will transfer to a bowl. Now we'll need baking soda. And we add 2 tablespoons. Then we'll add 50 milliliters of water. After that, we will mix the ingredients very well. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Once we get this consistency, we'll take a tablespoon of the mixture and shape it into ball shapes. Let's shape using the palms just like I'm doing. We will repeat the process until using the mixture completely. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home and comment if you know any tips so I can do and teach others. The bath soap is the main item for this tip. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. I use this tip whenever I see my toilet getting dirtier and smelly. The baking soda is one of the main items for cleaning. Mainly assists in removing fat and stains. Make this tip practical and cheap in your home. You will be surprised by the result. After all the mixture is molded, the tip is ready for use. Now I'll show you how to use today's tip. Let's separate one of the tip balls and insert it into the tank of a toilet. After that, we cover it with the lid again and flush to make use of the tip. The water of the discharge comes out, much cleaner and smelling. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.